Out of the 25 surreal locations on our planet, this is part 1. Mauritius Underwater Waterfall. The gorgeous beaches and pristine waters of Mauritius are well known. However, the southwest portion of the island is home to an extraordinary phenomenon that resembles an underwater waterfall. Contrary to appearances, this is an optical illusion caused by the structure of the seafloor and not a zone of moving water. In reality, the underwater waterfall is made up of sand particles being carried by the stream rather than water cascading into the depths below. Stay tuned to find the rest.